It's been fun here. I call it a cocktail of culture. Can you share with us what all of this does, to you, its impact?
For me, it reinforces my belief in Nigeria as a country, and that what we have that the world means the most is our people and our culture. And this is a perfect manifestation of that product in one. I've enjoyed my bowl of palm wine, I'm eating my bitter cola, and I've enjoyed the cocktail of dances. I like the conviviality of this environment, the ambience in this neighborhood.
An observation I made is the opportunities for businesses. I look at the various snacks and spices packaged across Delta, Kano, Niger. For me, this is awesome. What's your opinion about it?
We need to take it beyond this, because just like our sights and sound is still at the basic level. Are we able to export it? Are we able to merchandise it? Are we able to commercialize it? That should be our next level.
We are there. What we need is the willpower. What's your opinion about this?
The people are here, so they have the willpower. We need the organization and the skill to scale these things beyond the ordinary.
How can the tour operators take advantage of NAFED?
I think there has to be a discussion between NCAC and NATO on how to create viable products that will get people